I'm AI6YM. Everything that I do is open source, whether that's my own designs or whether that's a community project that I'm contributing to. So I think that as hams, we're supposed to be able to tinker with our equipment and build things the way that we want. The T41 here is an open source project started by Al Peter and Jack Purdom. They built the radio as an exercise while writing the book. They wrote, in my opinion, the definitive work on software-defined radio for the amateur community. It's a great introduction to the subject, and the T41 is the radio that came into existence because of that. It's an all-band, all-mode HF base station transceiver, puts out 20 watts, fully modular all throughout, so it can be upgraded and improved over time. And it's a fantastic software-defined transceiver that I've produced kits for. So the surface mount components are done for you. All the through-hole components are included, and the aluminum anodized enclosure is my design that I include with the kits. So the Pico Fox is an open source Fox transmitter design. It's made for parks, walking, and hiking hunts. It's about 15 milliwatts output. Again, open source, Raspberry Pi Pico microcontroller on the inside, so you can turn it into something other than a Fox if you want to. But it starts its life as a great, easy-to-program Fox. And then my prototype Fox sniffer is the other side of the radio direction finding operation. It's effectively an audible S-meter, so that you can find any transmitters, whether they're amateur band or air band for our search and rescue folks. It just turns the received signal into an audio tone so that you can find the location of the transmitter, even if you're standing on top of it. It'll still give you enough feedback that you can tell which direction to go.